If you feel like your credit repair business is not getting enough clients or not enough clients that you deserve, check out this testimonial. We systematized Mr. Bennett's entire credit repair business, and we put into place a way to generate new clients literally while he sleeps. Check it out.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm shooting this video for my guy Nate over at the Project Alpha. I have a credit repair business, and I hit him up when I was in the beginning stages of it because I wanted to put together a system that would make sense, right? A system that would make sense for me and for my business, right? And this guy knows exactly what he's doing when it comes to the credit repair niche, okay? He knows exactly how to set up the systems. And not only that, right? The mentorship and the education that he provides with it is next level, right? Literally, he looked at my profile, he looked at the things that I was doing, and he got me going. He said, yo, a lot of things that you're doing, they're not what you want to be doing. You want to be focusing on this, and this. And when I took his information and I applied it, I immediately started getting leads into my business. My calendar started filling up, and I made sales, okay? I made sales in my credit repair business. Now, I've made money in sales in all types of other businesses before, but he is literally the reason why I made my first sale in my credit repair business, his mentorship, his system, right? So I want to say thank you, Nate, for everything that you've done for me and for my business. And if anybody out there who has a credit repair business, you need to automate it. You need to learn. You need tools, systems, mentorship, anything you need to help your credit repair business get to that next level. He's definitely the guy that you want to get in touch with.